Welcome back to another video of TKK Collector, and today we are going to be opening Evolving Skies and Fusion Strike to see if we can get
some hits,
a alternate art or some hits or some full arts.
Yep.
We're opening some older packs today.
Yeah, the reason is because of all that Evolving Skies news and all that Fusion Strike news.
Yeah.
All those hits that were taken.
Wait, so are you saying we could get hits or no?
We could.
Yeah, we could. Okay. It's always 4 now because like Scarlet and Violet. Okay, let's get started. We got a Quick Ball, a
Sharpedo,
Loyalist, Shelder, Caterpie, Drillbur, Shinx, Bunny, Simisear, and Toxtricity. It's only non-holos Fusion Strike. I think like Fusion Strike is only non-holos. Like, and if you're super lucky, you'll get a V.
Yeah, it's super hard to get a V in.
Yeah.
Fusion Strike, but we might. See?
Yeah.
So this was there was a huge table of Fusion Strike hits that the people were floating around the internet.
Like
they were stolen.
Oh yeah, you made a video. I'm pretty sure.
I know. Did you look? Did you see the hits that were stolen?
Yeah, the bunch.
What do we got? Choodle,
Shroomish, Klefki, Totodile, Impidimp. Oh, Golden Energy!
Nice pull. Leaf.
I thought we got Golden
Energy.
Grass Energy Leaf.
Sweet pull.
I thought you couldn't get anything out of Fusion Strike. Okay, let's open
We've been having some good luck.
Evolving Skies.
Apparently, not all of the Fusion Strike hits were stolen.
Yeah.
Because we're hitting. Except for Evolving Skies.
Yeah. Were the Evolving Skies cards stolen?
Yeah, somewhere.
Oh, that's...
Gordy!
Braviary.
Oh, hold on.
Nuzleaf. Rock'n'Roller.
Love-Bebe. Swablu!
Litleo. Chinchou. Dweedle.
Flapple.
Yeah.
That was our first Evolving Skies pack. No hits.
Yeah. Next pack, the Fusion Strike.
I was rewatching the time we got the God pack.
Oh.
It was pretty cool.
That's Fusion Strike. Like, if you get 2 black code cards in a row in Fusion Strike, you're not going to get anything after that.
Grimmsnarl.
Oh, and Gloister. And Shauna, Primate, and Barraskewda. Okay, let's try another Fusion Strike. Can we get a black code card?
No.
I know it's like, that's Fusion Strike. Like, you can't even get a trainer gallery in this.
No, it's hard. Old Fusion Strike hits were hard.
Yeah,
Klefki!
Don't ask us
Balfour.
how we completed that set.
It's hard.
Yeah. Okay, let's try the last Fusion Strike.
Last one?
Yeah, then we'll open
Then we'll hit some Evolving.
Then get like an Umbreon V.
Well,
VMAX.
that Leaf hit was pretty good.
Yeah. It's a white code card again. That is Fusion Strike.
One hit from Fusion Strike.
It's okay hit from Fusion Strike, right? Oh wait, one minute.
It's a really good one.
Oh. Mango. Our dog's there doing stuff.
Making noise.
Yeah. Sharpedo.
Heliolisk.
Galarian, Corsola, Qfish, Vulpix, Galarian, Zigzagoon, Meowth, and we have a Claydol. That's Fusion Strike. Okay guys, now we're going to be opening some Evolving Skies to get that awesome Umbreon. The next black code card is an Umbreon.
Oh, please.
The next black code card. Like, these are these sets all the time. All the non-trainer gallery sets, just whites.
Yeah, they're hard.
Yeah. Okay. Dark Energy, Golduck, Rubber Gubs, Copycat, Dino, Teddiursa, Feebas, Hoppip, Hitmonchan, Swellis, and a
Seismitoad. That is
Oh
evolving
wait,
for you.
I'm gonna save this for last because this has the Umbreon.
Umbreon for last? Okay.
Yeah.
What would you do if you got an Umbreon? It's like the big chase
Yeah.
card in Sword and Shield.
Yeah.
Does any of your friends have it?
Yeah, my friend Andrew, he has it.
Andrew has it? Does he know how important it is?
Yeah. He's actually looking to grade it.
Raihan, Slackoff, Pikachu.
Pikachu, Kompaboo, Rufflet, Lotad, Emolga, Braviary,
Wishy-Washy.
Wishy-Washy. That shouldn't even be a rare. Like,
Wishy-Washy rare?
Wishy-Washy shouldn't be a rare.
I think there was some expectation that it would be a playable card.
Yeah. Okay, come on. Can we get it
Oh, evolving. It's hurting us.
evolving? Pyro, Dream Ball, Storm Mountain, Glossifleur, Feebas, Hitmontaz, Lillipup, Nickit,
Mareep. And a Flapple.
Flapple.
Oh, last pack magic, guys. Can we get by with just one Leaf Energy?
Yeah.
Black Gold card. Let's see. Last pack magic. Come on.
Maybe I was right about
Guys, send us some luck. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button if you're already, well, if you're still here.
You probably are, but
You probably are. You probably left a while ago.
yeah.
Do you leave videos or do you wait till their end?
Sometimes I leave them if they're boring.
You leave them if they're boring? Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, okay.
Okay. Try not to show if they're silver now.
Stormy.
Snorlax, Balder, Chinchou, Petalil, Dino, Teddiursa, Feebas.
Zoroark.
The only black code card
Oh.
is a hollow.
Boom. That did us in. So-
Evolving trash.
Ooh, evolving lies. You want to
Evolving
open something
lies?
else?
Sure.
What do you want to open?
Do you want to open one pack of Scarlet Violet?
One pack of Scarlet Violet?
Yeah.
Sure. Let's go get it.
We got the back.
There we go. Magic. So we got
The Espraffa.
Rafa. Is it going to be hard to open?
Yeah. Let's see. Wait,
Yeah,
wait, okay. We're doing another cut to the opening. 3, 2, 1. We're back! So we have the Espraffa card. Oh, looks kind of damaged there.
Wait, Coco.
Wait, Coco coin?
The Coco coin.
And the Espraffa, is that damaged? Is that
Or you have to
damaged?
hold it away.
Right there.
I don't know. Looks maybe a little dinged.
Yeah.
But that's the nature of these check lane blisters, so.
Yeah. Oh, and look at the scratch there. Oof.
Oof.
Those are those cards. Okay. Fresh pack of Scarlet and Violet. See if we can get the one on the pack. Wow, it feels so.
Different?
It feels so like more plasticky. Right?
Definitely.
We just skipped like 3 years. Like from Scarlet and Violet to Evolving Skies.
Yeah, imagine it'd be nice to get the Gyarados.
Yeah. So what's the most expensive card in this set?
The Miriam.
Is there any
Special
code
art.
trick? There's no code trick, right?
Nope. Fuecoco!
Wait, Coco, Tropius,
Pokeball.
Pokeball, Sandaconda, Katie, Staraptor,
There's your
Well,
first
baby.
reverse hollow. Energy
Energy
Search
Search.
reverse hollow.
Miraidon.
Miraidon. Not bad.
Yeah.
Miraidon hollow.
So guys, it didn't look like we got that lucky in this video.
Nope. Not this
But
time.
we'll try again in the next video. Subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. I like hitting the camera with stuff before I leave, right?
You do. I don't like it, but you do. Oh, leaf energy.
At least we didn't get anything, right?
That's too bad.